Hi beauties, I'm super excited for this automatic bubble machine that I got from Axworn. So I'm gonna open this up, do a mini demo and review all in one. So stay tuned. Okay, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Super excited. I've been wanting one of these for so long. Okay, let's see. Automatically, I can sense that this is super lightweight. Wow. Like this hardly weighs anything. So it has a very nice, convenient handle on top for me to carry it around. And we can see here, this is where the bubbles will come out. And this is where the battery is. So let's open it up and we see it comes with the battery. And you just have to connect the battery to the other connection here. And it also, let's see what else it comes with. It comes with a charger for the battery. Wow, that's so exciting. Let's take that out of the box and I'll show you, okay? Here we go. Let's see what else is in here. We have the bubbles. And then we have the instructions. Okay, and then we have, this is the charger. It's a USB charger to charge the battery. So the instructions say to make sure you charge this for 90 full minutes before using, okay? So let's see how it works. It says to pour the bubbles into the machine. So we're gonna pour it right in here, like so. There we go. Okay, and then you just push the button right here. Watch. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited for this. And the bubbles come out. Look at this. Wow, this is so exciting. Look at all these bubbles. It's not really loud. It makes a little noise because it's automatic, but it's not very loud and it's very lightweight. This should be on a sturdy surface, not really in your hand. But for demonstration purposes today, so that you can see all these bubbles, I'm holding it. But you really shouldn't be holding it in your hand. It should be in a nice, even, solid surface. But yeah, this is perfect for parties and celebrations. So anybody who loves bubbles will love this automatic bubble machine. I'm loving it so far. It's so fun. I'm going to put a link below so that you can get your own. But leave me some comments and feedback. I would love to know how you would use these bubbles and this bubble machine.